Hello and welcome to another AQA exam question. So this is question 23 from the paper 2 in November 2018. So it is a calculator question and we've got two identical quarter circles. So that word identical is important here, and the fact that it's a quarter circle and the fact that these are being cut from the rectangles. And so then we've got a picture here to help us. So we know that this rectangle has a length of 12 centimeters. We're being asked to work out the shaded area. So that's the area shaded in grey here. So this is a 4-mark question, which indicates there's going to be a decent amount of work to do. So if you pause your video and have a go, then we'll take a look at this. Okay, so first of all, let's just have a look at the rectangle. Well, 12 is the length, so this length here of the longest side of the rectangle. Well, that includes two radiuses. So we've got the radius here from this quarter circle, then we've got the one from the bottom. So each of these have got to be 6. So that means this is going to be 6 on the bottom there. So the width of the rectangle is 6. So if we do 12 times 6, that's 72 centimeters squared. So that's the area of the rectangle part of the shape. So that's the easy bit. Then we've got to look at these quarter circles. Well, if we know the radius is 6, we can do pi times 6 squared, which will be the area of a full circle with a radius of 6. But remember, this is a quarter circle. So if we divide that by 4, we will get so pi times 6 squared divided by 4, so you get 9 pi in terms of pi, but I'm going to do this to 1 decimal place. So to 1 decimal place, this would be 28.3 centimeters squared. Well, remember we've got two of these because we've got two quarter circles. So if we double that, so 28.3 times 2, it should give us 56.6 centimeters squared. So if we take that away from our 72, that's going to give us 15.4 centimeters squared, and that will be the area of just the shaded bit. So whenever you're doing the area of a shaded part of the shape, you will need to know the whole shape, which in this case is the rectangle. You then need to do the area of the unshaded bits, which in this case is the quarter circle, and then you take that away from the whole shape, and that will tell you the part that is shaded. Now the example I'm going to show you now from the awarding body from AQA, they've done it to 2 decimal places, so you will see a slightly different answer when you look at this. And there you go. So the AQA work solution, they've done it exactly the same way as me. It's just that they've done their area of the quarter circle to 2 decimal places. On this question, either way, you would get the right answer. If you've got 15.4 or 15.45, both of those would be considered correct. Unless they specify the degree of accuracy, they will usually allow a bit of flexibility with the rounding on questions like this. Okay. And that's it for this video. Thank you very much for listening.